So dear student, now today we will understand the next problem regarding the permanent adjustment of dumpy level. So this is the problem in surveying 1 subject, surveying 1, and that is unit number 3. So in unit number 3 the problem is based on permanent adjustment of dumpy level or auto level. Now for this the problem is given as the following observations were made during the testing of dumpy level. The distance AB is 150 meter and ascertain that the instrument is in adjustment or not. To what reading should be the line of collimation be adjusted when instrument was at B, and if the RL of A is 432.052 meter, what should be the RL of B? So that is the problem given and the observations are given here. So we will first write down the given data. Now in given data, the distance AB was given, that is 150 meter, and then the leveling reading were taken. So when level at A, level at A, then reading was taken at A and B. So reading at A and reading at B was taken. So when the instrument at A, the reading at A was 1.702 and it is 2.244, that is given. Similarly, again the instrument is at place at B and the reading was taken as 2.146 and 3.044. So that is the observation taken, and along with that also the RL of A is given. RL of A is given and that is given 432.052, and in the problem it was asked that line of sight, it is either upward or downward or it is exactly horizontal. So line of sight we have to ascertain and the RL of B we have to calculate. So that is the problem. Here the problem is based on the permanent adjustment. So here the testing of the permanent adjustment of the dumpy level is carried out. So इंस्ट्रूमेंट हमने पहले A पे रखा और स्टाफ A और B पे रख के रीडिंग लिया. तो इस केस में जो भी डिफरेंस आएगा RL में का, उतना ही डिफरेंस इंस्ट्रूमेंट B पे रखने के बाद में आना चाहिए. यदि नहीं आता है इसका मतलब परमानेंट एडजस्टमेंट करने की जरूरत है डंपी लेवल में, ये हम लोग पता कर सकते हैं. एंड फॉर दिस पर्पज we have to make the calculation. So we will first draw the setup of the readings. So here in this case, suppose this is our ground and the instrument is at place at A and at the staff is at A and staff is at B. So that is the setup for the testing of permanent adjustment. So this is station A, this is station B and distance is 150 meter. So that is given. Now when the instrument is at A, so reading was taken at A also and reading was taken at B also. So at A, the reading was 1.702 and at B, the reading was 2.244. Now similarly, the instrument is placed at B and the reading was taken again at A and again at B. So in this case, the instrument is placed at B and again the reading was taken. So this could be our line of sight, and the reading at A was 2.146 and reading at B was 3.044. So that is the arrangement. So अभी हमने A पे रख के दोनों जगह पे रीडिंग लिया और B पे रख के दोनों जगह रीडिंग लिया. यदि हमारे ऑटो लेवल या डंपी लेवल में परमानेंट एडजस्टमेंट ओके है तो दोनों जगह से RL कैलकुलेट करने के बाद में RL में का डिफरेंस एक जैसा आना चाहिए. And to test that, we have taken these of the 4 observations. So now we have to calculate either line of sight is exactly horizontal or not, or is there is any error. So for that, we have to first calculate the apparent difference between the level. So we will consider first the instrument is at A. So apparent difference इज इक्वल टू, तो ए पे हमारा पहला रीडिंग था, डिफरेंस वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग, सो हम बड़े में से छोटा माइनस करेंगे यहाँ पे, सो 2.244 minus 1.702, and that will be get the difference between apparent difference between the reading, so that is 2.244 minus 1.702, 2.244 minus 1.702, so that will be reading was 2.244 minus 1.702, so that comes out to be 0.542. So apparent difference between A and B reading. Now then, when instrument is at placed at B, again we will calculate the apparent difference. So here the reading was 3.044 minus 2.146, and now in this case the apparent difference is now 3.044 minus 2.146, and it comes out to be 0.898. Now this is the apparent difference in meter. Now we have to also find out the true difference, but true difference can be found out only when the instrument is placed at the midway, but in this case we can find out the average, so we can calculate the true difference. True difference is equal to average of these two, so 0.542 plus 0.898 and divided by 2, so that will be given value of H is true difference, that is 0.542 plus 0.898 divided by 2, and true difference is 0.720 meter. Now here we have to compare that apparent difference should be less than true difference, so H dash should be less than H. So in this case we know that the line of collimation is upward and the correction is negative, so that is the formula already we have understood in the previous video. So now in this case what is actually value, so H dash we have to consider in the case of second observation. So when instrument at B, the H dash is here, so here H dash is 0.898 and our true difference is 0.720, so H is equal to 0.720. Now in this case H dash is actually greater than H, so here we have to say that the line of collimation is downward, slightly downward, and correction we have to make it positive. So that is the conclusion drawn, and that is the first answer. We can say that line of collimation is slightly downward. So line of collimation is slightly downward and the correction is positive. So that main answer we have find out. So therefore we require the permanent adjustment. So for that we have to calculate the corrected reading at A and B when instrument is at B. So here we have to say that instrument at station B, and in that case we have to calculate the corrected reading at A. So we will first calculate the corrected reading at A. Now at A the already staff reading was given as 2.146. Now in this we have to add the correction that is already identified, so we will make it plus. Now what will be the error? So error निकालने के लिए हमको क्या करना है, H minus H dash. So here 0.898 minus 0.720, इतनी error आ रही है हमारे 150 मीटर के लिए. Now in this case the instrument is at B and the staff is at A, so distance between A and B is 150 मीटर. तो 150 मीटर के लिए कितना एरर रहेगा, इतना एरर हमको ऐड करना है. So here we can calculate, so that again 0.898 minus 0.720 divided by 150 and into 150, and that error we have to make it plus 2.146. So here we will get the corrected reading as 2.324 meter. So that is the first observation, corrected reading at A we have calculated, and similarly we can calculate that corrected reading at B. Now in this case again corrected reading at B is given as 3.044. Now into that we have to add the correction, that is correction is positive. Again same. So this is H dash minus H. So this is the 0.898 minus 0.720 डिवाइड बाय 150. इतनी एरर 150 मीटर में है और अभी हमारा डिस्टेंस कितना है? तो स्टाफ एट बी एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज ऑल्सो एट बी. तो रीडिंग डिस्टेंस है हमारा 0. तो ये टर्म हमारी पूरी 0 हो जाएगी. सो अगेन रीडिंग विल बी 3.044. तो अभी हमारा स्टाफ ए का करेक्टेड रीडिंग इतना आ गया, स्टाफ बी का करेक्टेड रीडिंग इतना आ गया. एंड नाउ वी कैन चेक दैट ट्रू डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस. So true difference between this, so true difference is equal to 3.044 minus 2.324 and it comes out to be minus 3.044, so 0.720. So this is again same as already calculated the H dash. So this is the true difference already calculated. इसका मतलब हमारे ये दोनों भी रीडिंग बराबर है. So this is first answer, this is second answer. That is correct. Now from this we have to calculate the RL of A is given. तो RL of A हमको दिया है, वो वैल्यू दी है हमको 432.052. तो RL of B कितना होगा? तो इतना डिफरेंस है उसके अंदर, तो हमको RL of A के RL में पहले हाइट ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऐड करनी पड़ेगी और उसमें से फिर रीडिंग एट B माइनस करना पड़ेगा. सो हियर RL of B, we can say that RL of A ये दिया है हमको, इसमें प्लस करेंगे रीडिंग एट A. तो इससे हमको लाइन ऑफ कॉलिमेशन का RL मिल जाएगा. सो RL of A प्लस हाइट ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट एट A, सो वी विल गेट द RL of हाइट ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट और माइनस रीडिंग एट B करेंगे, सो वी विल गेट द RL of B. So minus reading at B. So therefore this comes out to be the value is given as 432.052. ये RL of A दिया है प्लस करेक्टेड रीडिंग एट A ये हो गया 2.324 और माइनस रीडिंग एट B है 3.044 and by that we will get the difference between RL of B. So that we will get, so here 432.052 plus 2.324 minus 3.044 and that will be get as 431.332 meter. So we can calculate in this way, we can calculate the RL of B also. So this is the problem based on the permanent adjustment. When the instrument is at place at A and B, then two set of readings were taken and from that we have identified that the line of collimation is slightly downward, therefore correction is positive, and based on that we have calculated the corrected reading and then we can calculate the RL. So that way we can solve the problem based on permanent adjustment of the dumpy level. In the next video we will see again some other problem for this permanent adjustment of the dumpy level. So thank you for this session. Thank you.